Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will be focusing on how to disable the touchscreen on your TP410U device. This process is straightforward, but it requires some tools and attention to detail. Let's dive right in. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need 1. A Phillips head screwdriver. 2. A flathead screwdriver. 3. A plastic prying tool. 4. Anti-static wrist strap, optional but recommended. Start by powering off your TP410U device completely. This is crucial to ensure safety while you work on the hardware. Once powered down, proceed to remove the back cover. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to unscrew all the screws located on the back. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them to reassemble the device later. After you've removed the screws, gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the back cover off. Be careful not to apply too much pressure, as you don't want to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, locate the touchscreen cable. This is usually a flat ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by gently pulling it out of its connector. Ensure you handle it with care to avoid any damage. Once you've disconnected the touchscreen cable, you can proceed to clean the internal components if necessary. Use a soft cloth or an air blower to remove any dust or debris. This helps maintain your device in optimal condition. If at any point you feel unsure about handling this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in disabling the touchscreen safely. Now, let's reassemble the device. Carefully place the back cover back on, making sure all clips are aligned properly. Then, use your Phillips head screwdriver to screw everything back in place. Make sure all screws are tightened securely, but be cautious not to over-tighten. Once you've finished reassembling, power on your device to ensure it operates correctly without the touchscreen functionality. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. No calls, no travel, it's that easy. Finally, if you would like a quote before repair, our service team is just a message away to assist you with any further issues that may arise. Disabling the touchscreen can significantly enhance your device's performance if you do not need that feature. Thank you for following this guide. We hope it was helpful in assisting you with your TP410U device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.